Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up your microphone for recording in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Audacity app on your PC. Before you dive into the settings, make sure to plug in your microphone and verify that your computer recognizes it. This is an important step because if your system doesn't detect the microphone, Audacity won't be able to use it either. Give it a moment to ensure the connection is stable and your device is properly recognized. Once you're in Audacity, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll need to locate and click on the Audio Setup button. This is your gateway to configuring all audio input and output settings within the application, so it's essential for getting your microphone ready to record. After clicking Audio Setup, hover your mouse over the recording device option. A submenu will appear displaying all available audio input devices connected to your computer. From this list, select your microphone. Make sure you're choosing the correct device, especially if you have multiple microphones or audio interfaces connected. Right below the recording device option, you'll see recording channels. Hover your mouse over it to reveal your options. Here you can choose between one mono recording channel or two stereo recording channels. If you're using a single microphone for voice recordings or podcasts, one mono recording channel is usually your best choice. However, if you're working with a stereo microphone or want to capture audio in stereo, go ahead and select two stereo recording channels. This setting ensures your recording matches the capabilities of your microphone. Next, click on the microphone icon at the top of the screen. From the options that appear, select Enable Silent Monitoring. This feature allows you to monitor your microphone input in real time without actually recording, which is incredibly useful for checking your levels and making sure everything sounds right before you hit record. Now it's time to test your setup. Click the record button at the top and start speaking into the microphone. As you speak, watch the audio levels to ensure your voice is being picked up clearly. This is also a good opportunity to check if there's any background noise or issues with your microphone placement. If you need to adjust the volume level, simply drag the small circle located right beside the microphone input controls. Dragging it to the right will increase the volume, while dragging it to the left will decrease it. Take a moment to find the sweet spot where your voice sounds clear without peaking or distorting. And there you have it, you've successfully configured your microphone in Audacity and you're ready to start recording high-quality audio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.